Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change default applications in Windows 11. And now, let's get started. To begin, right-click on your Start button and then select Settings from the menu that appears. Once you are in the Settings window, navigate to the Apps tab from the list on the left-hand side of your screen. Within the Apps section, click on Default Apps. Here, you can change the default application for any file type or link. For example, if you wish to change your default web browser, locate the Browser section. Click on the browser that you currently have set as default. A list will appear showing the different file types and link types. For each type you wish to change, select the new application you want to use, and then click on the Set Default button. Repeat this process for any other application you wish to set as default. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.